Oh, wait, can you hear me? All right. Hey, it's been a while. I'm outside after a very stressful day of class. It was in this video on nature's walk. I'm gonna be playing with a toy car. I'll show you what the toy car looks like in a minute. This is it. Um, this is the toy car. I haven't played with this in a while, like a long time, a couple of months, actually years. So I decided, hey, let's go outside and play with this bad boy. You know, that's the purpose of this toy car, to be played with. Besides, it's been rotting in my closet for the longest. I might as well take it out and, you know, do something with it. I got this toy car for Christmas a couple of years ago. It was originally my brother, but he had two of them. It came with two, and he decided to give me this one, the police car. I actually originally wanted the other car, but over time I actually grew to love this one. Hey, it's the one that you don't want that you end up wanting in the end. That didn't make any sense. But what you gotta, so, you know, I'm just gonna go play with it. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this bad boy on. We're gonna place it on the ground. I really hope you guys can hear me. Oh, it started moving because my chest was on it. I'm trying to keep it away from the bridge. It's kind of hard to control it with only one hand, but we're gonna figure it out. Move it here. Just move it straight. We're gonna go that way. So cool. My brother couldn't join me today, which would have made this whole entire video a lot easier. Oh, stuck. What's wrong with this? That's it. Either I'm terrible at driving this, which I'm not surprised. Even when I was playing with this car, it was terrible. All right, ready?
Yes.
You looking at it?
Mm-hmm.
Look forward.
Mm-hmm.
Go. Terrible. I can't see. Oh.